good spot. Our last spot we were across the road bed, going down where we usually hunt. To the left of that is how we had an open field, but they were all gobbling up here, so we decided to come up here. Down there. Yeah, straight down. But I wanted to get that decoy. I could hear him closer. They're down there where we were last time. Down, down, down. Might be coming up, but that one was right there. Pretty close. I think it's probably. So we can, if that thing walks up here, I'll be able to get a look at it and tell what it is. But it should be coming up right now, so it should be fun. What? What, yeah? No. Yeah. I hear some woodpeckers. They're really making a rattle while the turkeys are down there walking around. Oh, yeah. They're coming up. That thing. Well, they were just gobbling, but there was somebody else calling, so we're kind of having to out-call them for it to be able, and now they are leaving, but this has been a great, great, great day looking at them, so yeah, this has been really fun. Tell me about it. So basically, they gave up. They were across the fence, so we couldn't shoot them. But they went down, came back up, just stayed in the field. There was some turkeys. Like, there was a couple toms that went that way, that we thought were gonna go around and come out of here, but they didn't. And we did see a lot of turkeys today, but they were jakes, and sadly we can't shoot jakes, but it was a really good opportunity to see turkeys, so we saw a lot of turkeys, which was good, and they were gobbling a lot, but they were coming
in and then out. They were going into the pine trees, and then going out of the pine trees into a field, which we could see them. But it was a very good experience. Went pretty good. We saw some turkeys, but sadly we couldn't shoot any. So right here, this is our deer stand for deer season. This is where I like to hunt. So this is where all the magic happens, and where we shoot some deer. And we got a lock-on stand, which is one you manually climb down there. So yeah. This is the beauty of the woods. Follow me. Here we go. Walking down here, we have a lock-on stand in the corner. This is one that we kind of hunt in, but it's one time I've hunted in it. We've seen deer here, which is interesting because even though in some other parts we have not, but as long as you come over here, hug right here, and there you go. It's our lock-on stand right there where also some of the magic happens. We've seen a lot of deer down here and almost shot some, so it's a pretty cool stand. Just love baseball and peace out.